everyone, it has been a while being 61 days and 21 hours since I have last posted a video. But today I am coming to you guys with Reading Your To-Dos episode 5 in this series. So that is definitely going to be awesome. Make sure to watch to the end of the video to see all the things that I made. Also, thank you guys so much for subscribing and continuing to support me, even though I don't post enough, obviously. But today, I really need you guys to comment down what tutorials you need, preferably for normal patterns, because alphas are a little bit harder to make tutorials for. So if you guys will go ahead and comment that, and also comment your favorite bracelet from this video, and yeah, have a nice, enjoy the video. Today, the goal is to find some summer patterns that will, you know, be summery. So I'm just gonna click on a random profile to start and go through the to-dos. I'll be right back. Okay, so for the first person, I'll be making this to-do, so I'm gonna add that to my to-do list, and I'm gonna go through and find another one. Okay guys, I finished the first little starburst bracelet, and now I'm moving on to the Arrowhead, so hopefully it goes well, and they both look kind of cool. So, okay, I have chosen this Arrowhead as my next pattern, because I've never really made a double Arrowhead. I tried once and it didn't work. So it's kind of sad. Let's go find another pattern because this is fun. My friend, I have 4,004 friends. I'm moving up in the world. Okay guys, I have just finished the second bracelet, and I have never really been able to make Arrowhead bracelets, but this one turned out very good and I might keep it, but I really like it. I used some sparkly red thread, as you can hopefully see, and I definitely had fun with this one. So on to the third bracelet. I'm going to page 21, so I'm just going to choose a random person from page 21 for our next to do. Okay, let's look for the profile that looks the most summery. I think the ocean is pretty summery, so let's go with that one. It's not even a word. Okay. Ooh, plenty of to-dos. I'll be here for a while. I know I've made this pattern like a million times before, but I kind of want to make it again, and it was in the to-dos, so I think it's good if I make it again. So I'm gonna be making this one as well, and let's go find like 2 more patterns for the summer. Okay, I said bracelet, but I meant keychain, so I'm working on the Be Kind keychain. I'm just gonna finish this up. Okay guys, I have finished the Be Kind keychain, so that means I have 3 out of the 5 done. It's time to move on to the bracelet, so I'm gonna go start that, and then I'll see you when it's finished. Next profile, we got 75 to-dos, and I see a lot of cows, so I'm kind of excited for this one. I'm just gonna go through them all and find a. For this one, I'm going to be making the lemon cow, so let's get started with all these. Okay everyone, I have just finished the lemon cow, so that is that. It's time to go find another pattern and do that one as our last pattern, and then I'll show everything all together. I kind of had fun with this one, but I had to use like different thread right here than what I would normally use for like the nose? Yeah, okay. Nose and horns, but I think it looks pretty good. So it reminds me of pink lemonade and lemonade in general, so yeah, let's move on to the next. Okay guys, we are back at my to-dos. I think I'm just going to plug in page 32 when I get the chance. So that's okay, page 32. And if it ever loads, okay, cool. I am going to go with the, oh, this is hard. Oh, I'm gonna go with this one as a reminder that I need to finish Criminal Minds. It's Spencer Reed. I kind of quit Criminal Minds on season 7, but I've just been putting it on break because I actually do like it. Oh, plenty of to-dos. Okay, well, I will be here for a while, and all these to-dos are awesome. I like the mushroom cow. I am going to go. Okay guys, I think I have found the pattern I'm going to make. I'm going to be making this elephant pattern for my final pattern for this video. Okay everyone, so I have finished the elephant bracelet, and I have a whole stack of other bracelets here with me, but that is for my newest post. This bracelet was definitely very fun to make. I don't have any complaints except for the elephant part. I was like, this is taking forever. But other than that, it wasn't that long. It wasn't that bad. I finished it and started it today, so I think it was pretty good. So I'm gonna go grab one. Okay, so these are the 5 that I made in the video. I believe we started with this one, then it was this one, and I think it was this one, and then these 2. But I finished all of these, the starburst kind of thing, but this was a different starburst because you had like the gradient here, which is kind of cool. I used, for this arrowhead, I used sparkly red, which I hope you can see. It was definitely fun, like more fun. I don't mean to say funner, but it's definitely funner to make than arrowheads in the past because I've never really been good at them. I made the Be Kind keychain, kind of a classic at this point because I make it so often, but it's like in like everyone's to-dos, so you know, you can't fault me for that. Lemon cow, which was brand new cow that I've made, and then this cute little elephant with the water. This was definitely a successful video. I had fun with these patterns. All the pattern numbers will be linked in the description box, and if you want to go check out my Etsy, I'm listing a huge listing June 9th, so whenever that is, yeah. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and please tune in next time for another YouTube video. And thank you guys all for subscribing. That's amazing. Thank you so much.